Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, Harbor Freight's 10 days of deals are still going on. We're up to deal of the day number 8. Deal of the day number 8. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Deal of the day 8, 30% off all pressure washers and pressure washer accessories. Pretty straightforward. This is going to be the first day that you'll have a chance to get your free gift. $35 purchase for anybody. You get one of your 3 free gifts. Or if you're ITC, you get a free gift with any purchase. We just did a video on it. But of course, 30% off all pressure washers. Friday, July 24th. Don't forget Thursday, July 23rd, 30% off all Centec and Viking jump starters, battery chargers. There's some instant saving stackings there. And then, of course, today, who's picking up their meme tool or their outdoor solar decorative outdoor lighting? Deal of the day 6, but let's look at deal of the day 8. We'll do a little bit of a deep dive, starting with pressure washers. Pressure washers. We have good, better, best pressure washers. I own this Bauer one, and I haven't tried many pressure washers. It's the only one I've tried, so it's solid. But basically, light duty, Portland, use on vehicles, outdoor furniture, grills, yards, windows, and more. Medium duty, 1800 to 2600 PSI for the Bauer. Use on fences, decks, patios, walkways, exterior siding, or commercial use, heavy duty, use on driveways to strip paint and other multi-story siding. So we have it sorted here from high to low. Of course, we'll just start off with Predator. They have 3 different types. They have the 4400 PSI, 3200, and the 2650 PSI for their range of items. Of course, if you're going for the heavy duty commercial Predator 4400 PSI, it's already $850, so a bit pricey, but at 30% off, get it down to $595, so saving over $250. These are all gas engine, by the way, for Predator. Here's the 223cc, 6.8 horsepower, 3200 PSI. It's at $400, and at 30% off, get it down to $280. And then the Predator 2650 PSI, 5.6 horsepower. Sounds insane for a pressure washer, but that's at $350. Get that down to $245. So over $100 savings there. Of course, Bauer's 3000 PSI option, brushless max performance electric pressure washer. That's at $380. Get it down 30%, get it down to $266. So saving almost $120. The Bauer 2300 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute, brushless max performance electric pressure washer. That's already down to $250. Get that down to $175, so an even $75. And then this is one I picked up, I think with the 15% off coupon. I forget when, but it was a little bit ago, a couple years ago. I've used it washing an old car, washing the driveways, washing the sidewalk, the paths to the door, and some of the awnings. $190, it's been pretty decent. Do get tangled up a little bit with all the hoses, but that's probably just me. I get tangled up with the hose. That's just normal. $190. But at 30% off, get it down to $133. So save almost $60, which is solid, 2000 PSI. So not a bad option to go with. One of the more popular ones, though, has been the Bauer 1800 PSI portable electric pressure washer. And at least from the outside looking in, its compactness, probably lightweight compared to the other pressure washers, just makes it that much more convenient to set up and lug around and just have it ready. But depending on what you're using it for, $100. This has been on sale before. I think Black Friday was down to about $60, but at $100, we don't necessarily need to do the math. $30 off, 30% off, get it down to $70. So a decent deal. Has been lower though. And then we will go over some Portland pressure washers. This is down to $90, and at $90, it being so close to the Bauer portable electric washer, only $10 difference. I'm not sure who would go with this one, but let me know. Maybe having the wheels, having this whole stand makes it a little bit more convenient, and saving $10 is not insignificant. At $90 at 30% off, though, get it down to $63 versus the $70 compared to the Bauer. Wash dirt off walls, yard equipment, vehicles with this powerful pressure washer. That's Portland's pressure washer. And then we do have this cordless portable power cleaner, which appears to be, oh, maybe it isn't. Wonder if that would be included in the 30% off all pressure washers and pressure washers accessories. Tough to tell. But this one is on instant savings already, 11% off down to 53 bucks. So possible 9 out of 10 stores will still stack their instant savings, at least from the feedback that I've gotten from the HARBROs over the last stacking opportunities. I know some stores do not. And then we do have the premium wide mouth pressure washer. We do have the accessories up, but this is coming up under pressure washer. This is part of the deal since it's clearly under accessories. Pressure washer accessories. It can't be more clear than that. Premium wide mouth cannon pressure washer foam cannon, 30 bucks compared to chemical, guys. 14% off. You get to stack this, fingers crossed, at your store. 30% off. Get it down to 21 bucks. So 21 bucks, normally $35, is 40% off, which is as close to some of the deals that we've gone. This is actually, I don't think this has gone on sale that often. So 40% off. Excellent pickup. Premium wide mouth pressure washer foam cannon, 4.7 stars out of 5, 95%. So excellent reviews. Does the job well. Really cool product, but totally awesome value. Look at that, tons of foam, super thick. Perfect foam cannon dispenser. Produces thick foam that clings. And we will sort this from high to low, even though we hadn't. The instant savings caught our eye. Pressure washer accessories. There's this 100-foot, 3/4 inch high flow performance garden hose. Not sure if that qualifies for pressure washer accessories, but it is here. It's what's listed on the website, on Harbor Freight's website. 3,300 PSI surface cleaner for gas and electric pressure washers, 14-inch. Yeah, it looks like they've included some things that are not pressure washer accessories. So we'll focus on some of the pressure washer accessories. Of course, we did the premium wide mouth pressure washer turbo nozzle at 30 bucks. Save $9, get that down to 21 bucks. 4,000 PSI kink resistant pressure washer hose, 25 foot. That'll be an option. Here's another one, the pressure washer Stubby spray gun. And that does appear. Oh, and the kink free does appear as well. Stubby spray gun, kink free hose, both on here. But the pressure washer Stubby spray gun instant savings, also 14% off already. So that's at 23 bucks. Get that down to $16. Pressure washer Stubby spray gun. This compact spray gun is ideal for cleaning hard to reach areas. The universal quick connect collar accepts most pressure washer accessories. It works great with gas and electric pressure washers up to 5,000 PSI. 4.8, 96%. Great reviews. Shortened wash time, likely one of the best items from Harbor Freight, even though it's common and inexpensive. Don't normally write reviews, much less give them a 5, but this fits my personal needs as I'm always cleaning a boat or a car. Coupled with the foam cannon and dual valve setup cuts time needed to get something clean in half. Can even use it one-handed. Let's see how it holds up over time. Raving reviews, hard to beat for the price. It feels good with good quality, nice weight. Did not last, 3 stars though. Awesome Stubby pressure washer gun, some rust, almost perfect, works like a charm. And so pretty high reviews on the pressure washer Stubby spray gun, something to keep in mind. Of course, the pressure washer quick connect nozzle kit, 5-piece at 20 bucks, similar to the 30% off of anything $20 and under. Some curved pressure washer wands, quick connect pieces. Those will be most of your accessories. $10 Portland quick connect pressure washer spray wand, maybe some long reach brushes. Don't think they'll be included, but those are your pressure washer accessories. Some instant savings to look out for. Foam cannon, Stubby gun is great. And then time to pick up a pressure washer if you're in need. Multiple options depending on how much pressure you'll need, but I'll leave it at that. HARBROs, 30% off all pressure washers and pressure washer accessories. Deal of the day. Don't forget to pick up your free gift if you're going in for this. Always ask. Sometimes the stores don't give them to you. And as usual, let me know what you're going to pick up. Let me know how your deal of the day 6 is going. And happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.